Hey YouTube, this is Leo with Remodeling Calculator and just making this quick video about the Growatt inverters. They make very annoying sound. So anyway, how do you get rid of that sound? So in the manual it tells you that there is setting, I believe, number 15, but it doesn't work. It just doesn't work. You're going to be wasting your time. So one way I found was by connecting the Wi-Fi dongle, which took me 3 days to connect it, and then I was somehow able to change the setting on the sound to disable it, but then like it came back within a couple days, and after that I can't even find that setting. And also you need to put in the password, like the admin password, when you're trying to make changes like that. And to get that, it's like you have to go on the website, find the current password, because it changes, it's date based. So anyway, there's a much simpler way to change the to disable annoying sound. All right, all you have to do is press the down button and the enter button together. So if you look here, there's like a little speaker symbol. I don't know how well you can see it, the camera doesn't want to focus on it, but once we press these two buttons together, there's no more sound. How cool is that? Yeah, so just, and to enable it back, you just press it together again. So many hours wasted trying to disable the stupid sound, and all you have to do is press two buttons. You gotta love the Growatt. Well, actually I do love it, this whole system. So you can see I have two of them. The reason only one is on right now because I need to charge the batteries there in split phase, but I only have 120 volts shore power. I'm in the camper. There's the cabin, and so I couldn't charge it. I couldn't provide incoming power to the inverters. I still don't have solar because I need to clear the roof from all the stuff on it, like all the air conditioners and so on, get rid of the fridge to remove the vent from the fridge and install the panels. I probably want to remove the roof and replace it with a new PVC roof first. But anyway, so I didn't have a way to charge these batteries, and I have a battery charger that's 10 amps, but the problem with that, it goes only to 52 volts. It doesn't go to 56.5 that I need for these lithium batteries. So it's called 48 volt charger, but it won't go above 52 volts. So I had to put this guy back in a split, from split phase into a single phase, and then I was able to charge it. And this setup here, once we have the solar battery, the solar panels on it, so I already have my distribution panel there, and I have my heat pump, and it's actually connected and working, and it's actually amazing at heating this space, this camper. So yeah, if you want to see that, I already have a brief overview of installing this heat pump, and I will have step-by-step instructions on how to actually do it, because a lot of videos out there, they're like not really informational, just give you basic overview of like, hey, we have a heat pump here, but doesn't really show you how to install it. And there are very specific steps that you need to take that are critical for the installation of a heat pump. So I'll show you the whole process every step of the way. All right, and I'll also show you how to build this kind of system. So I have about 5 kilowatts of lithium batteries here, so, and I want to expand it to probably 10, so at least double this capacity. So these are big batteries, and they're already starting to crumble. You see the voltage indicators are now working. So, but they used a different supplier before, and now Big Battery just resells battery Evo at like 10-15% markup, which is like insane. There are videos reviewing Big Battery products, and like you open it up and there's a battery Evo BMS and battery Evo cells in it and battery Evo bus bar PCBs. So like, if you want good lithium batteries, just like this one over here, it's a battery Evo, 150 amp hours. This is a 12 volt, but they sell 12, 24, 48, even 36. Just buy battery Evo, and you can use my promo code RemodelCalc. I'll put it in the description below, and you'll save at least 7%. Maybe I will increase in the future, so that code doesn't expire. So free shipping, unlike Big Battery, they charge for shipping. Free shipping with battery Evo. You're actually getting the same battery for a lot less money, 10-15% off, and then additional 7% off with my promo code, and you're getting the same product. And the warranty, oh, don't even start me on the Big Battery warranty. You know, I spent $2 on these batteries. The stupid charge indicators die. They want me to pay for shipping, and they're like, well, we're doing you a favor, we're giving them to you for free. The $3 charge indicators, we're giving you them for free. They're gifting me $6 back after I spent $2 on their stuff. but they're charging me for shipping. Great. All right. Anyway, so big battery, they charge for shipping of any batteries. If you buy less than 4, they may charge you tax. I'm not sure about that, but they are selling battery Evo batteries for about 10-15% more by placing their own label on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. The full overview of this whole setup is coming up. Once I have solar, I will cover that as well. And I already have a first video of this installation, and more are coming up. I just need to edit them. Okay, thanks for watching. Click like if you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, there's a lot here that's going on here, so ask them in the comment section below, and I will see you later.